If you're not at the table in the international system, you're going to be on the menu. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken made the remarks at the 60th Munich Security Conference. The U.S. top diplomat's undiplomatic words shocked the world. Analysts say Blinken's statements reveal the fundamental logic of U.S. politics and diplomacy, the law of the jungle, in which reason, peace and cooperation are put aside. To secure its place at the table, the United States has waged war, imposed sanctions and orchestrated upheaval across the world. On Blinken's remarks, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov commented, "We just hope our American colleagues don't choke at their democratic table." Analysts pointed out that today's world is no longer a private dining table chaired by a certain country. Peace, development, and win-win cooperation are the irresistible trend of the times. At the 60th Munich Security Conference conversation with China, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi called on all countries to seek win-win, avoid lose-lose and usher in a brighter future for humanity.